everyone, it's Melissa with Sundream Succulents, and today I will be building a garden arch. I ordered this garden arch online and it'll be going in that area there. So let's open it to see what I need. Attention, please be cautioned when installing it because some parts of this product is sharp. Please be cautioned. Please use caution. Okay. Oh, I think it's right here. I don't think it comes with instructions. It doesn't come with instructions. Oh, these are the instructions. So these are the instructions, one page. I guess I'll... Okay, oh, can't lose this. So all the little screws and bolts are here. This is all I will need, and a screwdriver. So I just realized that I built it in between this pole. That was not smart. Time to move. Oh my gosh, I can't. Dirty little fly. Look at it. Oh my goodness, what the I swear, no respect. My garden arch is complete. Now I'm gonna move it. It's not gonna work, I need help. My garden arch is complete. Now I'm gonna move it over here. I finished my garden arch. It was very easy. It took me about 20 minutes or so. I think it looks great. I'm considering spray painting the garden arch. What do you all think? let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Skip through it.
Yeah, skip through it.